You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative content. In this LendYou Express loan review, I'll share my personal usage experience. For those wanting to delve deeper, I've included links to LendYou's official website and detailed product information in the description below. LendYou Express loans provide a quick and easy solution for individuals needing fast cash. The entirely online application process allows for convenient access from anywhere. Upon approval, funds can be deposited into your account as quickly as the next business day. Loan amounts generally range between $200 and $1,000, offering repayment terms from 3 to 12 months. This flexibility sets them apart from traditional payday loans. LendYou focuses on serving individuals with poor or limited credit histories who might face challenges securing loans from traditional banks. A key advantage for those with less than perfect credit is the streamlined application process, which doesn't heavily emphasize credit scores. However, as is common with short-term loans, the costs can be substantial. Interest rates typically range from 200% to 1,000% April, varying depending on the loan amount and your state. Therefore, carefully evaluating the loan's cost-effectiveness is crucial before committing. The repayment structure is fixed, featuring monthly installments that simplify budgeting. These fixed terms enable borrowers to plan their repayments more effectively. It's essential to ensure you can comfortably meet these monthly payments to avoid incurring late fees or extra charges. A notable benefit of LendYou loans is their reporting to credit bureaus. Consistently making on-time payments can positively impact and improve your credit score over time. In summary, LendYou Express loans offer a viable option for individuals requiring emergency funds but facing limited credit access elsewhere. While the quick approval and flexible repayment terms are advantageous, the high interest rates warrant using this option only for genuine emergencies. Always thoroughly review the complete terms and conditions, ensuring you can manage the repayment schedule to prevent unnecessary expenses.